2, 3, hit Sarova Mara. And then 1, 2, 3, cake mixing, okay? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, Sarova. Again. Oh. Cake mixing.
Asal apa kan? Anda sebab apa sholai? Misal ayang kaya ni kubunu. Anda sebab apa? Misal anda yang kaya, anda Arabian, anda York, tahu apa iseri, metoro bilo. Misal kaya kalau apa kan hati ini, anda kalau orang kaya, yang tu boto, kaya nama.
Udah nangan nage, anda Arabi, urip.
Friends, we used to carry some of these mix which we have done. So we used to exchange, like there was a tradition, we carry what we have made, and in exchange we bring what they have made. It's quite popular tradition now. It's not only limited to Europe, it's celebrating worldwide. And you see our LM, Mr. Nicholas Mena, he challenged me, Sanjeet, come up with something new, creative idea. And then myself, my Lord Chef, the pastry chef, F&B manager, and the entire HOD team, we came up with this idea with lots of touch of Masai theme. So allow me to start it, and then we invite you batch by batch. We all will make sure that we all are a part of it. Sanjeet Gupta, I'm the group pastry chef of Sarva Hotels. Today we all are here to enjoy our cake mixing. To know more about cake mixing, it's a 17th century old tradition. It started in Europe, now it's familiar all over Asia, Middle East. You go in any corner of the world, you find it everywhere. So basically the idea is you mix dry fruits along with spices and nuts, you add some alcohol, you infuse them, you wait for some time, and then during the Christmas, when you visit your relatives, when you go and meet your friends, your colleagues, you carry this mixture. So while you take them to them, you also bring back what they have done. So it's a tradition exchange system. Kind of like you go with a gift, and this is a gift. Basically, I was challenged today. The idea behind this Masai theme was I was challenged by my lodge manager, Mr. Nicholas Mena. He said, Sanjeet, you have to come up with something creative idea. So that's how we are here today. Lots of inputs with the entire HOD's team. We were on top of it since yesterday. We had plans, we had wordings. Like you can see the message on the cake mixing. It was very clearly written, Sarva Mara, heaven and earth, because it is heaven and earth, and you can see the happiness in all the guests and all. They are all happy, and you know the reasons why they are happy. It's not only the alcohol, it's not only the food, it's the vibes. It's only we are welcoming the festival. 30 ingredients over here, and around 20 to 25 liters of alcohol. In total, it will combine a mixture of 100 kgs. We are going to soak them and we'll keep it inside a chiller. We take them out every 7 days and we mix them. And during Christmas time, we will utilize them to make our Christmas cake and Christmas pudding. Basically, the idea is not to make you intoxicated. You see, the amount of fruits is too much. That quantity of fruit is 100 kgs, and we are adding just 15 liters to 20 liters of alcohol. So it gets well, it gives you that, and it is not just a cake with pudding or just a normal cake and all. It's a cake with alcohol, spices, different types of dry fruits, different kinds of nuts. So it's more of a Christmas flavor. It goes with alcohol. Yes, we can do non-alcoholic as well. We can substitute alcohol with orange juice, with apple juice, but it's always good to go a classic one. Our MDs, our directors, they are very supportive. And that's the reason we found everything. And that's the reason I'm saying, if you go in some other places, you will not find so many of ingredients the way we have. We have all imported whiskeys, brandies, rums, gins. So these things they make special. And on top of that, the Maasai tribes, they did a nice dancing, they did a welcome, they did a prayer for us. So overall, it really worked for us.